You won't believe the secret ingredient that makes this salsa so tasty. Guillermo, do you want to tell us the ingredient?
Of course, it's carrots.
What?
Carrots. It's carrots that make the salsa extra flavorful.
I guess it makes sense when you consider that the Italians use carrots to flavor their sauce.
And Italians know what they're doing when it comes to food.
They sure do. These ingredients add up to a delicious salsa that you can use with all kinds of foods. Start by slicing the habaneros. If you like your salsa quite spicy, just leave the seeds in. If you want to minimize the spiciness of your salsa, remove some or all of the seeds. To avoid irritating your skin, use a fork and knife while doing this, especially since it really hurts if you touch your eyes afterwards. Habaneros are one of the spiciest chili peppers. They don't only have heat though, they also have lots of flavor, so we use them a lot. If you find value in this video, please go ahead and give us a like. Dice the onion and chop the carrots. It's not common to use carrots in Mexican salsas, but Guillermo knew they would make a great addition. Chop the garlic. You can chop roughly because you'll be blending everything together eventually. Add oil to a preheated pot on medium. Add the chili peppers, onion, garlic, and carrots. Stir and add salt to taste. Cook on medium-low for about 5 minutes or until the onions are translucent, stirring occasionally. Cooking the carrots and onions helps bring out their sweetness, which adds a lot of flavor to the salsa. Add the orange juice and the apple cider vinegar. Cover and cook on low for another 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour it all into a blender or food processor and blend until smooth. If it's hard to blend, add a little water. You'll be proud to have made this delicious and healthy salsa. If you'd like to try your salsa in some tacos, be sure to watch our corn tortillas video.